Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog houses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Petsfit Outdoor Wooden Doghouse. Petsfit Doghouse is our top choice for the best doghouse overall and the best doghouse for hot weather. You can quickly remove the floor for easy cleaning and open the roof for ventilation during warm months. It's also an excellent option for many types of weather. When the roof is on and you have the door flap installed, it protects your dog from rain, snow, and sun. Petsfit's house is made of solid wood and stainless steel hardware, so it's sturdy for the harshest elements. Most customers say it's easy to set up with pre-drilled holes. It's available in 3 colors and 2 sizes to meet many pet parents' needs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Petmate Precision Extreme Outback Log Cabin. This solid wood doghouse is an attractive option to complement any yard. The materials are high quality and stand up to the elements. We like that it already comes with a sealed coating on the wood. Unlike our top pick, the offset door can give your dog room to shelter from wind and rain. However, it doesn't come with a door flap. The spacious interior also makes this our top pick for large dogs, but it comes in 4 sizes in case you have a small dog who doesn't need as much space. At number 3, we have the Petmate Precision Extreme Doghouse. This igloo doghouse has a unique dome design that keeps the house stable in high winds and sheds snow and debris from the top. The insulated doghouse features heavy-duty construction that keeps pets warm in the winter and roof air vents that help keep pets cool in the summer. It also has an extended offset doorway to help protect your pup from wind and rain. This dog glue is our pick for the best doghouse for winter. At number 2, we have the Paw Hut Outdoor Doghouse. This cute doghouse has a large porch deck for your pup to relax inside and out on the patio. Its attractive design is made of solid fir and cedar wood with dark trim accents. The A-frame roof is durable, with shingles to keep your pet protected in the weather. The raised platform also helps keep rodents and insects out. And finally, at number 1, we have the Petmate Barnhome. Petmate scores again in our reviews with our pick for the best budget doghouse. It's a fairly cheap doghouse compared to the others we review here, but it's not cheaply made. This heavy-duty plastic barn house features rear air ventilation, an extended roof guard, and a raised floor for weather protection. The 2 pieces snap together easily in just seconds, and it's easy to clean with a hose. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.